Hello students, good evening. Today I am going to discuss topic 5 from module 5, that is organization of content. First thing is that means when we are going to prepare our presentation, how we will organize the content for the presentation. First thing is that nature of message means which kind of presentation you are giving or what is the message you want to convey through your presentation. That is important. So first thing, you will understand what is the nature of the message or what you want to convey to your audience through your presentation. Second thing is audience analysis. Yes, of course, what we do for audience analysis means which kind of audience is coming for listening or for uh, coming for our presentation. That is also very important. According to their understanding level, according to their demands, according to their requirements, you can prepare your presentation and you can organize your content. Next is choice of approach, whether longer or shorter presentation. Means when you are giving your presentation, you need to understand how much time will you take for the presentation. According to that, you will prepare your presentation. You will make your presentation length according to the requirement, according to the demand of the audience. Or we can say that if you are giving your presentation and time is in your hands, so according to that you will organize your content. If you are taking 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or more than 5 minutes, according to that you can uh, organize your content. Because when you are giving your presentation and your content is not proper or not sufficient for the audience, and you want to convey them for 5 minutes or 6 minutes your message, so at that time if you are repeating each and everything again and again, that will make your presentation boring. So that's why it is very important that you should understand how much time will you take for your presentation. According to that you will make your presentation, or according to that you decide the length of your presentation. Next thing is choice of visual aids. Yes, when you are giving your presentation, which kind of aids you will require. We are talking about audio or visual aids. Audio, visual aids, we can say that means you need projector, you need slides, you need some means picture, good quality, good picture quality screens for your audience. Means which kind of choice you want to take for your presentation, you should understand that. Means if you are giving your presentation and you are needing, you have that kind of need, that if you are giving your presentation at that time you need some pictures or some slides in front of audience. Through that you can convey your message easily to your audience, or you will make your presentation effective with the help of visual aids. So according to that you will prepare your visual aids. Choice of an appropriate style means in which style you will convey your presentation. We have already discussed about the modes of presentation. You can decide which mode you will use at the time of presentation, or if you have any compulsion for a specific mode, according to that you will prepare your presentation. So you should understand about the proper style for your presentation. Because if you are discussing about the data, then at that time if you are giving the extemporaneous, that will always create some problem. So that's why at that time you have to make that which kind of mode you should understand or you should use at the time of communication, or we can say the presentation. Next is arrange your content into three major parts. Yes, anything whatever professionally we are arranging, so we should understand what is the introduction, what is the main body, and what is the close of the content. Because if you are discussing to your audience, then first of all you should understand which kind of things you can include in your introduction. Introduction is always introducing, process of introducing your topic or your message or your purpose, because of which you are giving the presentation. Main body, in main body you discuss about the if and buts of your presentation, of your message, and what are the problem you are going to discuss, then what are the proper things audience can assume with the help of your presentation you can discuss in your main body. And the last part is close. In close you will not add any new idea, but at that time when you are concluding your presentation you should summarize your whole presentation in the end of your presentation. Means the audience who is listening you sometimes, or it may be, means it's a very normal kind of thing that always in every time audience is not connected with your presentation. So just because give them a summarize or a key points of your presentation, you discuss some important points through your conclusion of the presentation. So when you are concluding your presentation, at that time you can discuss about the key points of your presentation. Through that you can convey each and every important part of your presentation to your audience. Okay, fine. This is the topic 5, organization of content, and these are the things, these are the points which we can uh, uh, keep in mind at the time of organization of the content for the presentation. Now we will discuss another topic in the another lecture.